Hello, welcome. Here we are dealing with multiplication of fractions which are given in three forms. The dot in the middle is meaning multiplication sign. Now, we are given this number and the answer is 3/4. But this is not true. How do we deal with this? We write 3/5 times 4/9 times 15/16. Then we start doing our cancellation. We can take this 5 to go with the 15. This goes once, this goes 3 times. Then we go to 3, divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 3. Then divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 4. So this 3 can also go with that 3, divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 1. This means that on the numerator you have 1 times 1 times 1, which will be a 1, out of 1 times 1 times 4, which is equal to 4. So our most correct answer is going to be 4. Let's try another equation or another number. We have 14/15 times 3/7 times 1/5. What is this going to give us? Let's write it again so that we can be able to follow up well on our cancellation. So in this case, 3 will go with the 15 5 times, 7 1 7 twice. So our answer is going to be 2 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 2 out of 5 times 5, which is 25. This is our correct answer. So we will see another example, which is 12/13 times 1/8 times 26/27. This one we are going to solve it down here again. 1/8 times 26/27 is equal to, so we'll go to 13 can go into 26 2 times. So we'll go to the multiples of 4, which can give us 8 and 12. Divide by 4, 2. Divide by 4, 3. Now in the multiples of 3, we have 27, 9 times. This 2 can also go with that 2, 1 on 1. So our answer will be 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, out of 1 times 1 times 9, which is 9. Thank you.